Hello, today we're going to look at push button and see how that works. So here is our little push button and that will help us, um, it's just a little button that lights things up and when we push it. I'm going to turn it like this and place it anywhere. I like putting it in the middle so because it bridges this gap nicely. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to make a circuit very similar to what we did before, but now what we're going to do is um, uh, it's going to only work when we push the button. So what we have here is we have a long side, and that's where the positive comes in, and then the negative side. So first I'm going to send, oops, I'm going to send the positive from here to one side of the button. Then I'm going to put another wire connecting that button and the positive side of the LED. So it's going to go through the long one, come up, come down. And now I need a resistor. Going to rotate that. Now, when we have this, it's got to go from one side here to anywhere really. And then eventually it's got to connect back to our negative lead. So as this goes through, it's going to go through the button, through here, and around, and it shouldn't be lit right now, but if we press on this button, then the light should light up. Now, this button only works when it's pressed. There's another type of button that I should have some in the classroom where when you push the button, it stays lit until you press it again.